In this short module, we have introduced one idea, that the ability to rehearse governance before reality tests it is itself a control. We saw why that matters as systems act faster, and we saw the instrument that makes it possible, a governance digital twin, a working model of how the institution governs that you can run, stress, and learn from without risking the live business. We have deliberately kept this brief because doing it properly is a course of its own. Building a faithful twin, designing the stress scenarios that actually reveal weakness, validating that the model behaves like the real institution, and turning all of it into evidence a regulator would accept. Each of those is a substantial discipline. Treating it as a single lecture would do it a disservice. So this primer is the map, not the territory. If this is the part that interests you most, it is the subject of a dedicated follow-on course on governance, digital twins, and simulation as governance, built around a live simulation environment rather than slides. For this course, the takeaway is simpler. As you build the controls in the other modules, design them so they could be rehearsed, not only run. A control you can test in advance is worth more than one you can only discover under pressure. Next, we widen the frame to the agents you do not own, governing your ecosystem.